She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl. She's my type of girl in my kind of world. Doing a drive-through, guys. Drive-through, guys. Speaking Spanish.
Hola.
Just a minute.
Hola.
Hello, just a minute.
Ah. ¿Qué? ¿Alguien habla español? ¿Alguien habla español? Me no speak English very good.
Alright, come around to the window. Proceed to the window.
No sé lo que me está diciendo.
Miss?
Hola, sí.
Come around to the window.
No speak English. Hello, I'm only joking. Hello, I'm joking.
To the window from it, please.
It's okay. I'm just joking. Can what's for breakfast?
Breakfast is finished, I think. Just a minute.
Okay. Huh?
Just get back.
Breakfast is spinach.
Yeah. See that, guys? Yeah. Spanish confused them.
Guys, I don't know what
We're gonna have to find someone that speaks Spanish in one of these drive-throughs.
Then put me up to it.
Oh, good. Here again, guys. There's Cove.
Frenchman's Cove, guys. Hi. How are we? That's good. Good. So we've got three adults in total.
4.
3. Oh, wait.
Who you missing?
Oh, 4. Yeah, 4. You have to put your hands out, guys. Temperature. So we got 2 locals and 2 tourists.
Okay, so 2 overseas.
Yep.
And 2. Okay, so overseas like $12 or 1,500, and
That you going to know?
they pay 1,000 per person.
That you going to know?
Oh, really? The price went up?
Yeah, the price went up.
Channel?
Oh, okay, because I used to pay only 1,000 Jamaican dollars,
Yeah.
and the tourists pay, the locals pay 800.
Yeah,
Give me a discount, man. Enough of it.
That's bad.
Oh, that is bad. Yeah. That's all right. We'll go somewhere else. Thank you. We'll just reverse.
Price gone up and on my peeps.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the pricing, the price list? Because you do have it.
He's lying.
If you come on next day, you won't pay. You understand?
You know,
Well, he wants to give it to us
You
in
know.
the normal price, but he said tomorrow if we
Yeah,
come,
that's
he
what
won't
the
give it
price
to
is.
us.
What?
He said if we come back next time, it will be 1,500.
well, that's cool.
Then why didn't you just say that and do it?
Work with,
Exactly.
Don't you know?
I can give you the blind. Can give you the blind. For the cheaper price?
Yeah, for the peak. Yeah.
The
all right.
normal over
Yeah,
them
I'm
pay.
happy to pay the 1,000.
So hold on, can I
come
just
to
ask you a
Jamaica. My husband
question?
lives here.
Can I ask you a question? What if we're married to a Jamaican, so we don't get it for their price?
No, once you're not Jamaican citizen.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
When you
So
decide,
we'll pay the 1,000. I'm happy to pay the 1,000 because that's what I usually pay when I come for tourist rate.
Yeah.
And how much do the locals pay?
You would have to pay the 1,000.
The 1,000 too. So that's
I
2,000.
can't go below the 1,000.
All right,
Yeah,
let
but
me
they're
have it.
locals.
I'm gonna go. I'll come back. All right, we'll come back. We'll go have a chill pill. All right, cool.
Yeah, why trade up?
Yep. Okay.
You know, he thinks he's smart.
Yeah.
you see, as soon as I ask about the price list,
Yeah.
you hear him say about blind.
Yep.
You know,
Peas and peas. Biggest lie.
Tell her.
COVID prices probably. They want to charge us COVID
Yeah,
You
man.
know.
Overcharge.
He's full of shit because
You
I know
know,
for a
man.
fact we pay 1,000 here.
Fee
And
one-
the latest vlog that came out from Jamaica, she even said it herself.
Yeah.
So
Lunch money, my
they
look,
tried
man.
to fool us.
Gonna put the extra money in his pocket.
Yeah.
Lunch money,
The
my look.
extra. Hang on.
The
If we
extra
paid in the
500.
1,500, that would have been 3,000 being you, yeah.
Yeah.
And these guys 2,000 each. He would have made at least 2,000.
Oh yeah, so man, lunch money for yourself, man. Nice, man. You know. So guys, we're back at Winifred Beach again. The weather is not great today. Very windy, seas rough. So we just have to find a spot for us chill for the day. You see me? So yeah, we don't know what the day gonna turn out to be, so let's just see. Yeah, man. Winifred.
Sometimes it's not worth it. Maybe you're gonna give him a donation.
I have island and I can't even reach for nothing.
Yeah, the weather's not too great, guys. Hello. Yep. That's it. But you know what I like about this? I don't mind giving them a donation because they actually do look after the beach. Like you don't see rubbish. Some parts that you don't see rubbish in that. Like they actually clean it.
Yeah, them just need to
They take care, yeah. Like this guy's cleaning up a mess. Winfred's the spot.
So guys, as you can see, the weather is not great and it's been drizzling, you know, so we wanted to take island for a swim but we couldn't, so yeah, we don't know. Good morning my beautiful people, welcome back to the Island Family channel. So guys, we just came to the rubbish a while ago and you know, well, it's been raining all night, like literally all night, you see me? But the sun showing up on the road right now, all the water run, you see me? Even after the rain stopped, the water does still run, so to show you how much rain it was. So, let's go. Look at this guys, this is pure rainwater and there's no rainfall in there. Yeah guys, so as you see, Portland has been flooded with rain. Yeah, man can't complain still. You know, we're inside safe and sound. So yeah guys, let's get this morning started. Hey Bobo, what you wanna say to your fans? You wanna hug them? You wanna hug them? No, you wanna eat them? Yeah, drama, you know. Oh my god. So, pure rain again. From last night till this morning, it's just been pure rain. Check that out, man.